ko po alam kung paano mag-uumpisa kanina. Thank you, RS, for letting me in at least into a couple of things about it. But congratulations, really congratulations to you guys. Palakpakan po na. Yeah, this launch was out of this world. It was, how do you call that? It was extraordinary, it was supernatural. It was preternatural. The boldest marketing move in the history of marketing in this country. Congratulations. Okay, unang katanungan, RS, Richard and Sam, paano ba, how to get into that? It was a theater of the absurd at its most brilliant. Paano ba, how to get into that idea?
Tito Boy, we just stay true to our core. In front row, we don't just do certain things. We do things in a certain way. And we call it the front row way. Of course, saan pa tayo? Hindi na tayo lalayo, kundi sa team po namin, especially po si RS. Si RS po talaga yung the brains behind the boldest marketing move.
Actually, Tito Boy, ang daming kinusultan namin na galing sa labas, nagpe-present sa amin. Pero wala, iba-iba, pero wala talaga kaming mga nagustuhan. So parang medyo okay, pero kulang eh. Yung alam mo yung, okay na, pero meron kaming hinahanap. Hindi namin masabi kung ano hinahanap namin doon sa nagpe-present sa amin. Yung pala yung hinahanap namin, sa kakahanap-hanap namin, nandito lang pala. Si Sir.
Si RS.
Something ginagawa sa RS?
Actually, Tito Boy, when Sam and I were talking about how to make Lux White Enhanced Glutathione even better, even stronger, sabi namin, kung ilo-launch natin yan, Sam, the campaign has to be out of this world. Sam, I told him, one of the meetings, we can go generic like all the other companies. We can say, put a silhouette and say coming soon, 3 more days, and then we'll reveal it with a cloth and ta-da! We can go as generic as that. But of course, that's why I admire my business partner so much. He gives in to all my wins. In other words, sa Tagalog, lahat ng kalukalukahan ko, pumayag siya. In fact, when I was conceptualizing this, Sam was, I think, having a sortie in Bordeaux. And then, habang sinasabi ko, gusto ko may lamay, gusto ko may ganyan, hanggang i-bash tayo, hanggang sabihin, magsasara na, hanggang sabihin ganyan. Sabi ko, kayo na mag-explain kay SB kung paano. Kasi, syempre, we know he's running for mayor. And everything counts. In fact, it's a 5 days na since we announced March 10, ang dami ng bashers. Super dami naming haters! Shout out po pala sa inyo dahil sa inyo nagka-free marketing pa kami. Salamat po! Imagine, nabuhay lahat ng mga haters and then sabi ko, Sam, just give me 5 days. After that 5 days, the resurrection is unbelievable. Sabi ko, because what we did, yung Lux White na marami, milyon-milyon nagmamahal, not just here in the Philippines, all over the world. Sabi namin, paano pa to? So sabi namin, Tito Boy, patindihin pa natin, doblehin natin yung milligrams. So from 700 milligrams now, it's 1,400 milligrams. So, yung dating glutathione lang, we packed it with collagen, oral moisturizer, oral sunblock, talagang lahat ng gusto natin. Of course, we know now kasi talaga na everybody wants to look good. Everybody has the right to look good and be healthy. So sabi ko, Sam, pili ka, the generic launch or as you've said, a bold move. Sabi ni Sam, RS, go. Do that bold move.
Okay, RS, for something as risque, for something as spectacular as this one, magpakatuto din tayo. It can either work or it can flop. How much of that fear was there? And what pushed you to jump into the unknown?
Well, you know what, ever since I was young, I was doing everything against the grain. I like risking things. I like the risk. I love it. Saan po tayo nakakita ng isang kumpanya na yung produkto ilalagay sa kataol? Meron po ba? Wala. Baliw lang ang gagawa nun. At front row yun.
Okay.
Yun talaga yung sinasabi ko kay Sam. Sabi ko, Sam, that's the reason kung bakit tayo ginagaya. Sabi ko, expect Sam, after we launch this, lahat ng other companies, ganito na rin ang kanilang launches.
Okay, I know you started to talk about the product. You started to talk about the new ingredients. Pero, ang pinag-uusapan pa rin natin, ano ang equity nitong bagong produkto? What makes it jump out of the market?
Kasi Tito Boy, Lux White Enhanced Glutathione and all the Lux products is the number one product in that category. It's not a claim, we don't just do claims, we deliver results. If you ask Google who's the number one glutathione in the world or in this country, sasagutin din ni Google. Lux White. If you ask ChatGPT, AI na yun, Artificial Intelligence. Ang number one Lux White and the most trusted glutathione is Lux White. So, sila nga naniniwala. So, kami, sabi namin, itong number one na to, just like what we do sa mga sarili namin, sa company namin, kaya pang pagandahin, kaya pang patindihin, palakasin. Kasi there's always room for growth. Lalo na 50 years na siya. And Front Row as an innovative company, innovative founders, think of ways to make it better, to make it adaptable in the market today. Especially, ang dami na rin nagsulputan. Marami na kasing gumaya, Tito Boy. So, for that 15 years, ang dami nang gumaya. Aspiration na yung Lux White eh. So, everyone copied the formulation, everyone copied even the packaging. Now, sabi na, even our ads, even the way we get ambassadors, billboards, commercials, we got almost all the big stars in the Philippines. After that, we got stars in international stars na. So, sabi namin, how can we top that? Kasi, that's the challenge for founders, for CEOs, presidents. How can you top yourself every time? So, sabi namin, gawa tayo ng isang product na walang kapareho. We said it's gonna be bigger, better, and stronger. Not just sa potency, but also physically. From the Lux White bottle before, it's now bigger. From the capsules, dahil dinamihan namin yung milligrams, hindi nakakasya doon yung ibang ingredients. So, lumaki na din siya. So, we got the biggest capsule, 000, na safe. Kasi galing FDA and approved by FDA. And doon namin pinasok lahat ng pinag-aralan ng research and development team namin na nararapat na sa panahon ngayon para nag-iisa po ang Lux White Ultimate.
Luzon, you want to say something?
I think yung capsule namin, kami ang first na naggagamit ng 000 sa supplements sa Pilipinas. Yung 000 mas malaki siya. Ang kasi sa kanya is 1,400. Doon sa isang capsule.
Before kasi it was 000. That's the largest before, na kinapi na ng iba.
950 yung max.
Yes.
Na pwede magkasya.
Dahil sobrang daming milligrams, hindi na magkasya sa become the biggest. Papunta na po siya sa bato ni Darna.
Sa madaling salita, yung shortcut lang sinasabi kanina ni Mayor is gagawa tayo ng produkto na gagayahin yung Pilipinas.
Yes.
Yun yung sinasabi mo?
Yeah. Raising the standards. We raise the standards, the quality, the potency, and literally the size. But ang pinakamaganda dyan at ang good news dyan, same price pa rin po siya, 2,980.
Kasi dito po yung mga yun ang sinasabi ng mga distributors namin eh. Oh, lalakihan nyo, dodoblehin nyo, dadabihan nyo ng ingredients, ng world class, lahat yan. Oh, baka naman tumaas pa yung price. Sabi namin, no. Yung same price, 2,900. Tulong namin yun sa mga distributors para marami sila mabentang Lux White Ultimate Collection.
Okay. The dazzling Rian Rose.
Yeah!
for Lux White Ultima. What makes this product your ultimate choice?
Well, like they've mentioned earlier, they've improved it by so much. There are additional ingredients in it already. Oral moisturizer, oral sunblock, ceramide. It's so hard to name every single one. Collagen, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. Of course, glutathione. It's always been the best glutathione tablet and capsule. Sorry, but I think it just really goes to show that the only thing that can kill Lux White is Lux White.
Yeah! I love that. And Michelle, we do, right? Our Queen, Miss Universe Philippines, Michelle, it says that you just slay. You really slay.
Thank you.
Okay, but how does Lux White Slim keep you, in shape?
Tito Boy, because in today's life, of course, especially post-pandemic, I have had probably the most busy past 2 years in my life and in my career. And being slim and being healthy is not, it's a balance. It's a balance in food, your nutrition, and I am very picky with what goes inside my body. One of the things I love about Lux White Slim is it is all natural. Yes. And it really works. It has 2,200 milligrams, which I think is one of the best in the market. It is the best in the market. It's also the heaviest. And like I said earlier, I juggle like 5 to 6 events in a day. And L-carnitine and Garcinia kombucha. It really helps increase my metabolism. And kapag tumatanda ka na, medyo kailangan mo ng mas mabilis na metabolism, which really helps me. And it just gives me so much energy throughout the day. So it's the perfect complement for my very busy lifestyle, and it keeps me slim also.
Wow! Kailangan dito hindi ako makatabi sa kanya. Sobrang sexy nito.
Tsaka nakaupo yan
Grabe.
Okay. I think what we're trying to say here is, especially to our 3 bosses, hindi lamang kayo mga henyo pagdating sa marketing. I mean, I think everybody knows that. Pero you also have this kind of bravado. I mean, not a kind of bravery. It's a kind of bravery. And tonight's turnout, from beginning to up to where we are right now, ano yung reaksyon ng ating mga kaibigan?
Actually, excited ako, Tito Boy. All my life, just like RS, risk taker ako. But it's always been calculated risk. Ang ganda nga nung sinabi ni Rian, the only thing that can kill Lux White is Lux White. Sino pwedeng tumalo sa'yo?
Maganda lang ang sinabi ni Rian, ano pa ang maganda?
Siyempre, kaya nga siya po ang ating signature face. Hindi lang ang Lux White.
Pwede ka naman ako dito kung gusto mo.
Pwede naman tayo magpalit. Ang ganda lang sinabi ni Rian, pero iba ang tingin, di ba?
Nawala tuloy ako. May sinasabi ko.
Hindi ka kasi Rian, magmuna tumitig na wala
yung sinabi ni Rian. Katulad ng sinabi ni Rian.
The only thing that can kill Lux White is Lux White. And the only competition we have is not the others, but ourselves. And we are aware of that. That's why lagi namin tinuturo sa mga distributors namin na non-stop improvement, non-stop bettering of ourselves, non-stop learning, upgrading, and being the best version of yourself by taking the supplements, by being a distributor, by being part of the company. That's what our advocacy is, becoming the best version of ourselves. And nakikita yan sa products, nakikita yan sa distributors, nakikita yan sa company. And we're just so proud na naging successful yung tonight's event, and wala na, mahirapan na itong mahirapan ang itatlo dahil nagawa na.
Ang sunod naman, gawa tayo binyan.
No, but I think you want to document this moment, RS, by a photo.
Yes, maybe we can have a photo together.
Yeah.
Gawa tayo ng group shot, groupie ako para kasama lahat. Can we have the house lights on? Tapos I'll have a photo.
Alright. Ang mga mic.
Iwan yung mga mic tapos.
Oh, nice to see everyone.
Yes. Mamaya meron tayong dinner. We have dinner. Dinner will be served. And of course, there's gonna be raffle.
Caldo.
Yeah. Ay, kanina yung arroz caldo, di ba? Mamaya hindi na arroz caldo. Cornic na.